I have just come here without announcing to anybody. The officer in charge, the staff, did not know that I'm coming here. But I had not come here to harass them. I came here to check on them. Yeah, I just realized that a few minutes. I said, why don't I pass through Embu and say hi to my staff and officers and see how they are doing. But also I wanted to check on how far the reforms that we have directed that should take place have cascaded to the regional offices, because you can clean up the headquarters but still have bottlenecks in the regional offices. So I decided to surprise my colleagues here, and my findings are as follows: that I think service delivery here is going on well. I have even interacted with members of the public, and you know, members of the public are very honest. If they had been harassed or if they had been asked to bribe people and so forth, they would have told me. We are working hard, we are committed to clearing the backlog, and on Wednesday we'll be announcing further measures. We'll be updating the country on where we are and announcing further measures on how to manage this situation. We have discovered, after we improved on our service delivery, that we have quite a number of uncollected passports, including in this office. This office alone in Embu is holding approximately 6,000 uncollected passports. Nairobi is holding somewhere between 20 and 30,000 uncollected passports. And the other regional offices also are having some uncollected passports. And therefore, on Wednesday, we are going to initiate a nationwide rapid results initiative on collection of passports. And we are going to make it mandatory for all the people of Kenya who have applied for passports, and we have printed those passports, we have those passports, they must collect those passports within the period that we are going to announce on Wednesday. And every person, we will even publish those passport numbers and those public holders with a notice that they must come and collect them. If they don't, we will announce the measures we will take, because you can't put us under pressure as immigration officers to give you a passport, then when it is printed you don't come for it. Some of them we have tried sending them SMS messages, calling them to come and pick, and they are not in a hurry. So we will force everyone to come and pick their passports within a certain period of time. If they don't pick, we will apply the law in terms of making sure that we find a way of disposing and closing that chapter. We have about 20 immigration officers here, and given the workload here, we have committed to increase that number. Shortly we'll post 5 new officers here, and in a few months another 5, to bring the total complement for this office to 30 immigration officers. We have also noticed that this facility is not looking so good. The space is congested, the building is old and dilapidated. Our officers are working in a very congested and constraining environment. So we have undertaken to improve the physical facilities for this regional office. It's a very important regional office. It is serving so many people from many counties where we do not have similar offices.